Hello everyone, this is Mr. Reed, and today we're going to learn slope-intercept form and linear and nonlinear functions. So welcome to my math class. Our standard objective is going to be 8FA3, the difference in linear and nonlinear functions. Students will learn the slope-intercept form equation as a linear function, and they will also be able to distinguish between linear and nonlinear functions. Our expectations are fairly simple. Be able to identify the slope and the y-intercept and be able to define a linear function and what makes it linear. What you will learn in this class. Today, we are going to learn how to graph linear functions and also be able to tell the difference between linear and nonlinear functions. We will also learn throughout this lesson to find the slope and y-intercept on a linear graph, and we will be able to find the slope and y-intercept in slope-intercept form. Our vocabulary today is fairly simple. Linear function, a function whose graph is a straight line, and it cannot have repeating x values. That is very important when graphing. A nonlinear function is a function with a graph that is not a straight line. This is what a linear function looks like. And this is what a nonlinear function looks like. As you can see, it did not pass the vertical line test, which a vertical line test is where you draw vertical lines and see if there are more than one times where it touches in a single line. And if it touches more than once, then it is considered nonlinear. So next time, get excited, ladies and gentlemen, because Butters is going to be here, and he's going to be excited to see each and every one of you. Now, I know it's been a rough year because of what's transpired, but Butters will be here, and he'll be here to say hello, and also get excited for this lesson because graphing equations on slope-intercept form can be very satisfying, and also it can leave you feeling accomplished. So here's a preview for next time. We'll be assessing you through a PowerPoint for 5 questions, and you'll be sure to bring a pencil and paper, and we will gauge how much information you retained and make sure that you're ready. So that's basically it for this, and you'll also we'll be learning what the slope and the y-intercept is in slope-intercept form, and also we'll be learning the term rise over run. So see you all in video 2.